Yo, Chevy gang, welcome back to my YouTube channel. ArtsNCarstv is your boy D Smooth, and I'm back at it again with another video. As you see the title, y'all already know. Black Chevy season is here. I'm about to switch up the grill. Yeah, I had to pull her out, man. Hibernation days over with. I'm gonna go get the new sticker, get the insurance taken care of, you know what I'm saying? A little walk around, let me show you guys. I already took off the grill, pretty easy, you know what I'm saying? Got 4 bolts in each corner, nothing major, you know what I'm saying? Anybody could do it, just get you one of these, you know what I'm saying? About to unbox the real thing. I usually take it around this time of the year because I really don't drive it in the winter. But yeah, she is crispy, you know what I'm saying? No rust. I'm saying, let me show you guys the inside for you guys that are new. Got LEDs already in there. So, shout out to Black Chevy World on Instagram for the stickers. Make sure y'all give them a follow up. Oh, and a little update on Blue Dream 2, you know what I'm saying? Got a title. Don't forget, if you're new, subscribe. Hit the notification bell so you won't miss no other videos. But yeah, let's get started. I think I want to do this. I had this already, but I just didn't have the time to pull it out. But y'all can see, man. Way different from like the original, because y'all can see the insides, how it got the chrome.
Kartel.
And see the original one doesn't have that, and it's already cracked. That's why I was like, you know what, it's time for a new one. And you get this on, I got it on eBay for 50 bucks, you know what I'm saying? I might do Terra Grill later on in the future, I don't know yet, but for now this will do. And y'all see the difference. And this for Black Chevys, I think 88, 89, and 90. Mine's a 90. So that's the last year they made, for those that don't know. But we're gonna take this off and put it this way. Gonna make some. But anyways, that's what we're gonna do today. Nothing crazy. Oh, mostly. I'm gonna get this cleaned up real quick. And, you know, it's gonna be looking like this. Sheesh. Look at that. Crispy. But y'all see how it be shining on the inside now, you know? Match the chrome bumper. But yeah, about to clean that up and I'll catch you guys back with it. Alright, we're back. Just need to tighten up these last 2. It says easy. There we go. Try not to force it too much. Pretty simple. There you go. And there you have it. Like, no, I don't know why this doesn't really match. I'm gonna have to put one through here, but it's all good. It's the old one was over there. That's all good, man. See? Looks way better now. Not come out, look tight. Getting there, little baby steps, you know what I'm saying? Next up probably gonna be the lights, because it has a crack on this one too. You see the little things already cracking here. That's how it was when I got it. Right here, you see that little crack, but you know, no biggie. As long as they work. Got LEDs in here too. But yeah, that's all I got for you guys. You know what I'm saying? Nothing crazy. I'm taking my sweet time with this build. I'm not building a race car, so don't even get it started with the motors. But yeah, there you have it. 1990 Chevy Caprice. Shout out to everybody that's rocking with the movement. Shout out to all the dads out there and that's still riding the back Chevys. It is gonna be Father's Day this weekend, so hope you have a safe one with your kids, you know what I'm saying? So pull out them boxes and, you know, just ride, or whatever you got, Chevys, Fords, doesn't matter, just, you know, have a good time with your kids. So, man, it's crazy nowadays. But yeah, that's it. It's your boy D Smooth. This is it. That's all I got for you guys. Until the next one.